Hi everybody, welcome to Crafty Ames Workshop, and today I have an unbagging of Wish products, and I believe these are some diamond paintings. So we'll see what the quality is for Wish. So let's open it up. I bought a bunch of stuff on Wish. It's taking forever because obviously it's coming from China, and so there's a lot of time involved. This because of the COVID-19, this is taking I think this has been several months worth now. Well, from one of my other videos, I think I talked about how I was going to order. I think that was at least 2 months ago. So here is the first one. Oh, and they gave me some supplies, as usual. Most places do. So that's nice. I mean, we got some baggies. And then here is the painting I got. So we will have a look at it. So this is, let's see if it has a name. Okay, no name, so I don't know. Hopefully it's not a rip-off of someone's art. But here's all the diamonds. Let's see. Make sure these are halfway decent. No, because you just don't know what you're getting when you're getting diamonds, or when you're getting something other than maybe Diamond Art Club. I love Diamond Art Club. They're not wet or oily, that's for sure. They actually look pretty decent. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know how much of a sparkle they're going to have, so we will see. They've got them labeled pretty good. It looks like the paint's kind of coming off a little bit on some of these. Yeah, they look pretty good. I'm hoping you can see. I'm not sure. So that's good. So let me show you the picture now. Move this to the side. Okay, so that came wrapped or rolled up, so that's a good thing. It looks like it might be double-sided tape and not poured glue. So I've never done the double-sided tape type before, so we'll see how I like that. I hear a lot of people don't like it. And some people don't mind it, so I'm a beginner, so we will see. I'll give you my opinion once I get it done. Ooh, even nice. They have that in there. I wasn't expecting that. For the reason I am understanding that anytime you have an opaque covering, it usually means it's double-sided tape adhesive. If it's a clear, like Diamond Art Club, they do a clear sheet over their art, and that usually means that it's going to be a poured glue. So this is the picture that I ordered. Let's pull it off and see what we got. This is a 40 by 30 centimeter as well. It's very sticky. I mean, I can't complain. That looks pretty good. I am worried about some areas here. So it looks very simple. So I don't know how it'll turn out. Maybe not exactly like the picture, but we will see. And it's pretty sticky. I am worried about this little section in here. Looks like it was bent, but we will see. Maybe I can fix that. So that looks good on that side. Other than that, it's like right through here, this whole thing right here. I don't know. And then now we've got this right here, so I'm hoping I can fix that. Let's look at it. I think what I'm going to do is just have it sit flat for a while, because I'm not done with my other painting. I'm still working on, I think it's called The World Is Ours, or Was Ours. And I love it, by the way. I'm just taking my time with it because I'm working. I just got off vacation. I actually worked on it on vacation too. We went to Florida. Had a wonderful time. Oh, and this is nice. There's not a whole lot of, space around the painting, so you're pretty much getting exactly the number they give you, the 40 by 30. I'm going to measure it just to make sure. So there's this side of it. So we will see. I just don't know. I'm hoping it'll come out beautiful. I really want it beautiful. So this is one of the Wish diamond paintings that I've ordered. And as you know, some things on there are, well, most things on there are not expensive at all. And that includes these diamond paintings. So you never know what exactly you're going to get with these. And I'm hoping that I'll get rid of that right in there. We will see. Alright. So yeah, I think I'm going to let it lay flat while I'm working on my other one. And hopefully all of these little teeny tiny spots here will work themselves out. But we'll see. Maybe not. Now I will say this, that there is, wherever this paper is, there is sticky. So what I'm going to plan on doing is put some washi tape around where the sticky is, and try not to cover up this right here. I may not put anything on this side because I need to keep that open. Oh, wait a minute. I do have this, so I may go ahead and put washi tape all the way around. So let me measure. So painting starts there and ends here. Exactly 30. Painting starts here. Let's see, let me make sure I get it right. And it ends, so it's exactly a 40 by 30, the portion of the painting. That's not including the overlap here on the edges. So that is pretty awesome, because a lot of times you get diamond paintings and it's the size of the canvas is what you're getting. The painting is a little bit smaller than that, but this is true to size. So I like that. All right. Alrighty, so when I get more Wish diamond paintings, I will come back on here and show you what they look like, see what kind of shape they're in, see if it's worth it. Now, like I said, I did wait many weeks for this, so we will see about the others. I'm still waiting on others, and I've ordered from other stores as well online, so we will see how those go. So there's that one. I also wanted to add a couple of things that I've gotten from Wish in these weeks that I've been waiting for these paintings. But I also have gotten several of these drills, which, you know, I really don't need to get, because every time you get a diamond painting, you get at least one. A lot of times you get two or more, depends on what you get. But what I got, I did not, there's only one end. But what I was thinking about doing is using these for making my own drill pins. So that's what that is. And of course, I probably paid $1 or less plus shipping. This I'm really loving. This one is really big. I love this. It's way bigger than my other one, and it has a little spout on this end. And you can lift this up if you want. I've been finding not to even take that off and just kind of dumping them in this way into the container. But this is a bigger amount of space. You can do a whole lot more multi-placement, which I've been working on lately, and I'm actually enjoying the multi-placement now. When I was first started, you guys know that I didn't really care for it, but I do the 3. I haven't graduated any higher than that yet. I'm really loving the 3 and just 1 placement. So that's what I've been working on. So I love that. That was probably free or $1, something like that on Wish. And then also, I got these little Tic Tac containers to put, and it comes with stickers, to put my diamonds in. I was thinking they were going to be a lot bigger. These are pretty small. These are probably half the size of an actual Tic Tac container. But I think it still will work. I don't know how I'm going to get the diamonds in there easily. I probably need to get one of those. Actually, let me see if I can take this off. Oh, okay. So I could probably still, maybe, compared to this, that's how big it is. But maybe I could still maybe take that off on this occasion too when I use these. But so I think this will still work. I just won't be able to put as much in there. So I've gotten 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 times 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys do the math. So I think probably 64 or something like that. Different containers. So I'm pleased with that. And then you get the big container to put it all in, which is a little bit cheap, as you can see, but it's still working. So I think that's going to work out. I have other containers coming, and I'll go ahead and when I get those, I'll show you guys those as well. And then I think that's all I've gotten so far from Wish. So, and again, I want to say thank you everyone to my subscribers who have stuck with me even through my whole year of nursing school and not putting out any content, and now these past 6 months where I just kind of put stuff out here and there. I am definitely going to get back on the roll of getting more videos out to you. If you guys have any ideas of something that you'd like to see, maybe you're sick of looking at these diamond paintings, or maybe you want more diamond paintings, I don't know. Please let me know, and thank you so much for subscribing to me. I actually got to see me going over 1,000 while I was on vacation. So that just made my vacation even sweeter. So I'm so thankful and tickled and so grateful for you all for sticking with me and adding yourself to my channel. And I hope I can bring you guys some more great content and grow better in my video making, because it's a learning curve for sure. But okay, I'm gonna let you go. Thank you all, and I will see you later.